This is Needlepointers.com, and I would like to show you how to replace some elastic in a pair of pajamas that I have. As you can see, they are stretched out. I have tested it, and I know that the elastic is actually sewn in here, but I don't want to take it all out, so I'm going to show you what I am going to do. First thing is, I've noticed that this in the back at the tag is tacked. So I am going to loosen about 2 inches in the back here so that I can insert the new elastic into it. Measure the casing from the top to the stitching. This will tell you how wide your elastic should be. The length of the elastic should be your waist measurement plus 1 inch. As you can see, I have opened the back up about 2 inches. This is where I will insert the new elastic. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic and then start feeding it through the casing. Continue to feed it along, making sure that it does not twist. Also, when you get to the other end, where this is here, going to go in, I suggest another safety pin just to hold it in place so it will not go inside the casing. I have finished inserting the elastic. Now I want to sew the elastic together. So what we're going to do is take out the pin, overlap the elastic about a ½ inch, and I'm going to place a couple straight pins to hold it in place. And then we're going to sew it all the way around and put a little X in the middle. Now, as you're sewing, please remember, do not sew over pins. And I have a needle down feature, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to pivot my work. And then I'm going to sew across there. Again, pivot the work. I think I'll start to put the X in the middle. And just continue doing that, and that's to hold the elastic in place. Insert the rest of the elastic into the casing, and then you want to stitch the opening closed, and I am going to use a zigzag stitch to stitch it closed. You can use a straight stitch if you prefer, but I used a zigzag because my pajamas had a zigzag stitch that they used. The last step would be to tack the elastic in a few places, usually at the seams around, so that it will not twist inside the casing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss future videos. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Google+. This is a great resource. Also visit our website, Needlepointers.com, for other sewing projects and tutorials.